Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to start doing a new series called the Weekly Wrap Up, where basically we summarise all the previous week's trading activity. But firstly, thank you to all the subscribers who have recently joined the channel over the last couple of days. It's good to see that you guys are actually enjoying the content. Okay, but we'll get straight into it. So the start of last week, we started off with $265,000 USD. It's now up to $270,000, which was perks to Friday because that was a very large trading day. In the last day there we got just over $4,000, which totals $28,000 and $28,432 for the total amount of profit so far within the portfolio. Okay, so we'll check out the trading activity over here. So on the 17th of January, we got $63.15 from Realty Income Corporation, which is a real estate investment trust. On the 18th of January, we got, I just sold GoPro because I got a free share. When you refer a friend with stake, both of you guys get like a free share. I don't really like to invest in GoPro, so I figured with that $5, I could actually have it best suited to a company that's going to pay me dividends. So I got rid of that straight away. Okay. If you do want to make an account with stake and use my referral code, it's ChrisM965. I'll leave that in the description below after this. But throughout the week, I deposited $343 USD, and then I bought QYLD one day for $210 worth, and then later on another $343 into QYLD. Okay. I just want to show you really quickly, in order to get $63 a month through Realty Income Corporation, I'll just show you how much money you'll actually need in order to get that. So we'll just scroll down, we'll look in Realty Income Corporation here, and as you can see, just on this right side, we've got just under $18,000. And I've only profited so far $418. So yeah, all you'll need is 18 grand to get that $63 every single month. I've got 269 shares of this company and at an average price of $64. Currently it's trading at $66 at the moment. But yeah, so that'll just give you like a rough idea of how much money you'll need in order to get the $63 a month. Cool. Right, what else do we want to go through now? Okay, so we'll start with what's going to happen next week on the weekly wrap up. So we'll move on to a website called trackyourdividends.com. A couple of days ago, I made a video on how to track your dividends using this website. I highly recommend it. But if you want to know more about that, I'll leave a thumbnail at the end of this video, and you can click straight on that and go straight onto that website there. But it's called trackyourdividends.com, and it's free to use. There is like a paid program if you want to get some extra features, but it's really not necessary. Okay, so just make a free account, trackyourdividends.com, and you can get started there. Okay, so for next week, on the 27th, so I'm only going to get one dividend, and that's from the Bank of Nova Scotia, and that's $157. Okay, they pay quarterly, which roughly equates to $600 a year. That's not too bad there. But moving back over to stake, we'll just go into the Bank of Nova Scotia and just so you can see how many shares I own there. So I own 208 shares at an average price of $51. I've only got $15 profit in the company so far, but a full equity of just over $10,000. Okay, I don't really care too much about the fluctuation in stock price, as like the dividends are the main focus. So as long as the company is fairly steady. So if you look at the 3-year mark here, okay, we've got a little bit of volatility over time, okay, but generally bank stocks are fairly even, okay, and we just milk them for the dividend. So the current dividend yield with the Bank of Nova Scotia is just under 6%, which is just fairly high for a dividend stock there. Okay, so that's basically the upcoming dividend for next week, and I'll also do a weekly wrap up just to see if there are any changes, if I've just made any other deposits within the dividend portfolio. But yeah, thanks. That completes this video. Thanks for sticking with me all the way to the end. If you want to subscribe and see more of the content, please do. And enjoy the rest of your day. See ya.